Pyromark Aditya Aeromedic and Bioenergies Private Limited, a company established in year 2005, is pioneer in research and development activities for biofuel sector. Pyromark is a unique eco-friendly green technology for today and for generation to come. Pyromark is effective, safe environmental solution to the world of waste to wealth. Pyromark transforms waste into valuable green fuel and biomass energy. This unique system separates non-compostable material like plastics, rubber, metal, glass, etc. from landfill dumps. Separated compostable waste is the best manure with full of organic carbon, nitrogen and many micronutrients ready for soil enrichment, gardening and agriculture. Plastics remain undegraded for over 1,000 years. Over the recent years, waste-to-fuel technologies are emerging as potential solution to reducing litter and landfilling of end-of-life plastics. Pyromark plastics to fuel are becoming a viable option to recyclers, investors and governments as sustainable solutions to waste management strategy, creating usable fuels and local jobs. Welcome to Pyromark's eco-friendly continuous pyrolysis system. Pyromark is unique technology to transform waste plastic to diesel fuel. Its specially designed, fully computerized auto-feed system receives non-segregated waste plastics as a feedstock material into a high-temperature continuous reactor ranging between 430 to 550 centigrade to produce vapor. Vapors are then condensed into condensable, that is synthetic crude oil, and non-condensable, that is synthetic gas fractions. Synthetic crude oil may then be fractionated on site into a range of light, middle and heavy distillated fuel oils. Secondary byproduct char is automatically continuously discharged in closed storage bin and ready for carbon pellets, soil enrichment and for various industrial applications. High calorific syngas runs the gas-based power generator to produce electricity. Pyromark unique system replaces this generated power to plant and runs further process. Plant has utilized ultra-modern Joule effect heating system. Pyromark has no stack, no emission, zero pollution and completely green technology. This technology has received many awards and testimonials. Pyromark is developed after over 10 years of experience. Now, Pyromark is safe and will not produce any air, water, soil or noise pollution.